Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted to do a very wearable look that I've been wearing a lot, and it's kind of like has pinky tones in it. It's really feminine, really beautiful, really fresh faced for spring and summertime, and it's literally been my favorite makeup look this month. I've been using it so much every single day. Yesterday, the day before that, if I'm not filming, this is the makeup look that I have been wearing lately. And I just love it. And I really wanted to share it with you guys because it is very wearable. It is very teen friendly. It is very mommy friendly. It's very work friendly. It's just a very beautiful looking makeup. So anyways, I hope you guys really like how this look looks and you want to watch the tutorial and see how it goes. But before we get started with that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I would love it if you joined the Bondbeautyful family or family here. Comment below, tell me you're new, hit the like button, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so let's just get started and jump on into it because who knows how long baby will actually sleep for. My hair is such a mess. I don't even want to talk about it. Anyways, let's just get started. So I'm going to start with foundation and face makeup because I don't have a lot going on in the eyes. I will show you. It's just so simple, so wearable. What I've been doing every single day, and it just looks flattering for spring and summer. It just looks pretty. It's just a pretty look. So I already sprayed my Mario Badescu facial spray. I love this stuff. If you have dry skin, try that out. And I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this Cover FX blurring primer like in the center of my forehead and around like my pores. And we will be putting the next primer over top of it. But this is just kind of like in certain areas. I love this primer so much, you guys, like so much. Now I'm going in with the Revolution Baking Oil, and I'm going to put that everywhere. Not too much on my nose. This stuff smells like citrusy and like so good. I don't know how this works with oily skin though. If you guys have tried it with oily skin, let me know. Or I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro foundation drops. I love this stuff. Looks so skin-like. I know I've been talking a lot about Revolution, but they're a new brand to me, so I've been kind of obsessed with using their stuff. So I have a F10. I'm going to start with this. And my LA Girl Beauty Sponge. And we're just going to start blending that out. Forgot to put my under eye primer on, so I'm just gonna leave this area kind of blank for a second before I finish. I'm gonna put this little primer underneath. It's a Revolution under eye primer. Then I'm gonna use F8 and like I'm gonna focus it where I highlight. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my C8 Revolution Concealer. This has been probably my most worn makeup look. Okay, I'm going to use the A Bombshell Smooth Criminal Powder for underneath the eyes. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender, or I always say beauty blender, but I mean my beauty sponge. Whatever sponge I have been using. And I'm going to use my Cosmetics ByE Bye pressed powder, and I'm going to use that all over the face with my BH V11 brush. All right, I'm going to use my BH Studio Pro contour, and I'm going to use a little bit of this one mixed with this one mixed with a tiny bit of that one to contour. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing me use the same stuff, but I've been loving this stuff. Okay, and then I'm gonna get into this color right here, and I'm going to bronze. I like that it's a yellowy bronzer. Like you don't ever see yellowy. It's like either orange reddish or like a purpley, you know, like grayish tone. You never see a color like this. Like, it's very rare. I'm actually going to try the BH blush palette, but I want to try this like gold color and bronze with it. I didn't do this last time, but that's a little bit of glow. Yep, that's a little bit like a glow. I'm gonna use a tiny bit. I'll use a tiny bit of like this color mixed with this color, maybe. A tiny bit. And to highlight, I will use this AOA Wonder highlight with my It's Likely Makeup Pro 5M brush. This is such a pretty highlight, and it was only $1, you guys. If you haven't seen that haul, go check it out. It was pretty good. So affordable. I mean, look at that. It's supposed to be wearable. Sorry guys, I forgot, and I put on a beaming highlight. I'll go ahead and put on my Pro Studio Fixing Spray from Freedom now. Let that kind of melt in, and then we'll go on to the eyes since the face is basically done. I'll show you what I did yesterday because I really like that. So this is the Pro 7E from Furless, and I'm going to get into this pink shade. This is the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm gonna put it in the crease. This is just like a messy, just fun look. A little bit of that color also on the lid. You guys, I started watching World of Dance yesterday, and I love it. It is so good. I don't know why I've never seen it before. I didn't know it existed, is why. I saw a Jimmy Fallon show with J-Lo, and she was talking about the World of Dance, and I was like, there's a show and J-Lo's on it, and it's about dancing, and why haven't I seen it? And so anyways, we watched it yesterday, and even my husband like loved it. He loved those less twins, something like that. He loved them. Anyways, so I'm gonna get into this color right here, this pink, and I'm going to do the same thing. Except I'm not going so high up. Okay, I'm grabbing a clean brush, and I'm just gonna make sure that there's not too much pink. I'm gonna like kind of blend. This is not a blending brush, but I'm just using whatever clean brush I have. I mean, look how much is coming off on the brush. I don't want it to be too pink. I want it to be like a flush, like a beautiful flush of color. Now I'm going to get into this like gold bronzy shade. I'm gonna put that here in this outer part of the lid. And I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of the black. I'm talking about like the teeniest amount, like super teeny, like you can barely see it on the brush. And I'm just gonna sweep it close to the lashes and the outer corner. I just want enough to deepen the look, but not show up black. Just basically to accentuate a crease. You see what I'm talking about? You see the difference here? And when I go close to the lashes first, if it is too pigmented, I can at least smoke it out close to the lashes, because I don't want my crease to get super dark. Okay, so I'm gonna put black in the tight line, and I'm gonna put this blue. This is the LA Girl Endless Semi-Permanent Auto Eyeliner in Aqua in the waterline. Anytime I use a black, this is always the NYX gel pencil in black. Every video I use this one in the tight line if I'm using a black. I don't steer away from my NYX jelly. From my NYX jelly, we're so close, I use a nickname. That's my NYX jelly. Then down below here, I'm just gonna use that first pink. What is that on my... I'm gonna use the first pink underneath the lower lashes. And then that bronzy color. Alright, I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are the Madame Wispies. I have been obsessed with these. I've been literally using these every single day. I feel like they're so wearable, but gives me a little bit of an umph, a little bit of more of something. Why is this? I don't know what is going on with my camera right now. It's like being funky. Anyways, I've been loving these. These are really, really good. So, yeah, these are the ones we're gonna put on today. Okay, so I popped those lashes on, and I also put a little bit of mascara in the lower lashes as well. See what I'm talking about? Like, I love these lashes. They're so flirty, so feminine, so beautiful, and definitely wearable enough for every day. Madame Wispy's Cocoa Lashes. I just love them so much. And comfortable. I wear them all day long, and they're really easy too. Okay, so last thing is lips, and I'm going to be using this. This is the LA Color Cheek and Lips Tinted little stick here. This one's in Cherry, and it looks scary, but honestly, I mean, this is it lightly applied, and then I can press hard, but still, it's like a flush of color. Really beautiful. So I'm just going to basically dab it on the lips like this, and then just rub my lips together. This is just a nice color. And I know this is big and thick and chubby, so you can always stick your finger in there and then put it on that way. Works really well too. And this is also really nice for like the cheeks as well. Looks really good, and it totally fits with this very wearable look. Okay, so that's basically the look. The look is all done. What do you guys think? So I hope you like how this whole look turned out. I actually really love it. I think it turned out beautifully, and it just looks really good. And the combination of face products I've been using, it just, my face and skin look flawless, like flawless all day long. Anyways, hope you guys really liked it. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I love you guys. You guys are awesome and amazing, and I love reading your comments. Please comment down below. And yeah, I guess I will just see you guys next time. Bye guys.